Hello everyone, welcome back. Jacob from Echo Valley Homestead here. Today we have some excavator work with the mini hoe. We have some work on a ditch out by one of the oil well drives, so stay tuned and let's go get that done. We're trying to put a ditch right down through here to a culvert right there. Right now the cows walk through here and they directed water to go down here across the drive. So we're going to try and open this up so it goes down the culvert. This thing's been parked here a while. Let's see if it'll start. There we go. crawdad. Are you done digging?
Yeah.
Go and turn around so I can see the kitties here.
They're having a good time.
We got this whole ditch dug very well. We met it down at the culvert, and then we got all of this dirt dug up so the water can flow from the spring up here, and it can flow down here. And then one thing we'll do yet at some point is we'll put a row of gates down the middle of this path here, this ditch, and so that way the cows don't go through it, because that's why it gets so beat down, is the cows walk through it and they'll flatten it out and then the water won't flow through it correctly. Once again, I'm Jacob from Echo Valley Homestead. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.